Hi, it's me, Ursula, and welcome to my YouTube channel, a channel dedicated to healthy, conscious living. Today, I'm foraging for my food, and then I'm gonna make a pasta recipe with the food that I found in the garden. It's legume pasta from Happy Earth People. Foraging refers to when a human or an animal searches widely for wild food. So in the same way that our distant ancestors foraged for food, we are going on an excursion in the garden, whatever herb, fruit, vegetable, and put it into a delicious dish. You might be asking, why are we foraging for food if we could just go to the local supermarket? Countless studies show that time in nature is just better for your stress levels, it lowers your blood pressure, and it's good to just connect with your inner child, play in the garden. Let's forage. Starting off with the mint herb, rosemary. So we have a few things happening here. I've got spinach on this side, and then this is celery, but it doesn't look like your store-bought celery. But I guess that's what happens when you forage. Makes it unique. Fig tree. We've had this fig tree for years and we can never eat the figs because the birds get to it too fast. What my mom does is she puts a stocking over the fig and that protects it. For those of you who like eating capers is the seed to this bush. You can eat these leaves, these beautiful leaves, and put them on a sandwich to give it like a really strong taste. And it's got flowers that you can eat. There. We're gonna start off with making a pesto pasta and then put in the goodies, and on the side we'll have a salad with all the delicious herby leaves. A base of cashew nuts and peas, and I put all the herbs that we foraged in the garden: mint, spearmint, spinach, rocket, basil, and even rosemary. So no oil, no lemon juice, not the conventional pesto. There we go. I'm gonna now go and enjoy this salad with my family. I hope that this video has inspired you to get foraging in your garden, in your community, in your friend's garden, your mom's garden. Find a garden and somebody who has herbs or veggies. Happy Earth People pasta is 100% legumes. I use the chickpea one. If you like this video, you can go check out the other videos. I'll put them in the link below of more recipes with Happy Earth People. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more content. Happy feasting and foraging!